Game na.
Okay na nga
Let's watch
yan.
na.
Halika na.
Episode 3 na. Last
Episode
episode.
3, guys.
We promise to watch more, pero as of today, as of now, episode 3 muna, guys.
Oo.
Paunti-unti.
Onte. Okay.
Game. Ang dami ng viewers, guys. Thank you for staying.
Ay, ang galing! Ayan na, hindi raw nila nagawa ng day 1.
SB19 would be successful if I met them 3 years ago. You'd probably think I'm cheating because I'm talking from the present. And your past self would never believe me because I might have only seen them as a trying hard boy group who had to wear the same clothes over and over and over and over again because they couldn't afford a nice variety. But what if despite all this, they already knew what's gonna happen?
Itong mga to, sigurado ako in the future, magiging successful kami.
They knew their destiny. Pablo's username reads, I'm Seasmite. A random fan asked, why? He answered, it also means seismic, like Earth's vibrations. It's something big and important, so when I
Galing
seize the
talaga
mic,
nila!
I create this impact,
Talino nila!
like an earthquake. And when an earthquake happens, you know what's next after that? Are you sure you don't know? Do you actually want me to spell it out to you?
Ano meron?
Ano meron?
Bazinga!
Okay, let me show you.
In fairness, parang cute siya. Parang cute siya, guys.
Ang galing pa ng speaking voice.
Oo nga.
Sobrang creative! Ang galing na to.
Effort niya mag-edit.
Galing.
Casual Chuck, if you're watching, ang ganda ng mga docu mo. Sobrang well-made.
You should be extraordinary, Chuck.
You should be proud of yourself. Pak! Oh. Ay,
Ay,
napunit!
That's Pablo. If you're new here,
Ang
you're probably
kulit niya.
wondering how he ended up there.
Ang cute naman ng mima. Ay! Happy together! Ay, okay. Kala ko naman, nag-happy together sila. Galing.
Finally, they were starting to go up. They were very young. This was the time when they were still trying to figure out their musical identity. Enter the Get in the Zone album.
Oh!
Just check out the level of variety.
Ay, ang ganda ng song na yan. Okay, vocals.
Balad.
Go up.
Nananginay ko ang aking puso! Alam din pala natin yun. Ano din ko sa kalado. Ay!
Ay, ang
Very
cute naman
K-pop
ng
na
song
to!
na yan.
Very Korean ano. Ay, pero novelty din ganun yung Filipino. Sound break talaga sila.
Dami na pala
It
nilang
was
songs.
definitely a mix
Hindi,
of
album yun
everything. The Bashers immediately saw this as a
Feeling
weakness.
K-pop tumuha.
They were seen as a group who didn't know what they were doing. Despite all the hate, 18 didn't
Sino
get
ka
affected
dun?
as they started to get to know the boys on a deeper level. We got to know their fun side,
Si Ken naman po, nung na-meet ko to dati sa cover group, parang sabi ko, feeling ko mayabang to.
Ay, imagine your Korea,
Mayabang to.
pumunta
Tas,
kami dyan dati.
Tumbling ka pa dyan, gano'n. Tumbling pa to.
Uy, that's mental state.
Parang lagi siyang may sariling mundo, hindi po siya bilong sa amin.
Tinanong siya ng teacher namin, sa tingin mo sino pinakamagaling sumayaw? Ako! Sabi niya po.
Halika. Me, ako po, sinabi ko po talaga.
Ay, kung confident ka naman, bakit
Yes
yun
po,
di ba?
ang galing ko po talaga.
Ay, si ano?
Justin po, una ko nakita to. Oh, pogi. Siguro
Alam mo,
mayabang.
Si Justin naman
Kasi
po, nung
yan,
una ko po
ano,
siya
parang
nakita,
siya
sabi
nila
ko,
ma-interview.
typical guy. Parang gano'n. Sorry!
Si Justin po,
Guy.
parang pure, parang innocente. Pero nung nalaman ko, hindi po pala.
Ay,
Si
hindi
Stal, sobrang friendly po. Siya po yung happy pill namin.
Di ko
Totoo,
alam.
happy
Siya
pill
po yung
talaga
main
siya.
vocal po. Kasi akala ko magaling na talaga siya sumayaw.
Ay.
First impression ko po kay Josh, mabait po siya na may mayabang po na dating.
Ayun.
Badass.
Tinatry niya lang maging maangas pero deep inside hindi talaga.
Softy pala, softy.
Totoo. Sobrang halata kasi
Akala
sobrang
ko po
caring
hindi siya
niya.
yung leader.
Nung una, ang weird niya po, nagsasalita mag-isa, parang
Lagi niya kinakwento yan.
Sa isang tabi po, nakatayo siya sa
Ganun
gilid.
talaga
Tapos
siguro
may
si
training
Pablo,
tapos
no?
gaganon. Tapos biglang gaganon.
Nagkakaroon ng sariling mundo.
Gaganon po siya sa gilid. Sabi ko,
Creative.
anong ginagawa na
Nasa
nasa
creative
ritual
kasi.
pa sa gilid?
we also got to know their
Ang
internal
kulit
lives.
Stel!
Nakakatawa siya.
Our families, especially to our parents, and sa mama ko at sa kapatid ko.
Iyak na yan. Ay, naiyak nga siya.
Thank you, kasi lagi niyo po
Oh.
sinusuporta. Kahit
Oo, kasi pinost. Ay, na pinost ko para hindi siya umiyak.
Ayan, hindi na siya naiyak.
Ayan, hindi siya naiyak,
Okay
guys.
na.
Pinatigil ko na. Kasi if you think of it, di ba tayo, like, last na natin to kasi we have to work tomorrow. Tapos parang, kung isipin mo yun, like, they have jobs. Parang si Pablo data analyst. Tapos siya, meron din siyang job. So, ayun, ang galing lang kasi kailangan din talaga super understanding ng family mo para hindi para supportahan ka kasi wala, it's really a risk to follow your dream. And ayun, ang galing lang. Wala lang a moment of realization na hindi naman sila kikita kagad din sa ginagawa nila eh.
Actually.
They just have to believe in themselves. Just to be realistic.
Passion talaga.
Passion talaga. Okay.
Kahit sobrang hindi gusto
Oh, yun, risk taker.
Hindi ako sigurado ko.
Sobrang risk.
Pero, nandiyan talaga yung para sa akin. Thank you. Gusto ko mag-thank you sa apat na to.
Ano to? Anong event to, guys? Ba't sila naiiyak?
Puro fans ba yan?
Sa apat na to kasi dito namin.
Oo, kasi 2019 yan kung ano, kasi pandemic na yun.
Hindi ka lang magkahiwalay lang.
Oo,
Pero
oo.
bumalik sila kasi hindi nila ako niliwalay.
Thank you, SD19. Hindi kayo naghiwalay talaga.
Parang naisip namin na mas maganda ang tuloy namin.
Ang cute. Ngayon ko lang sila nakita na emotional lahat.
Tapos ang cute kasi 'di ba siya yung laging masaya, siya yung tawa ng tawa, tapos siya yung halos hindi makakompose ng sarili.
Sa bawat member kasi sila yung pinaka-unang hindi.
Tsaka grabe sobrang na-appreciate talaga nila sa
Lagi naniniwala sa akin pag hindi ko na kaya sila yung nagturo sa akin na ako kasi suko. Yan si Sergio, si Justin, si Ken, si John.
Tama, we love you too.
We love you guys. Thank you for not giving up.
Since na napasalamatan ako nila lahat, sorry po pasalamat si Sir Robin for building.
Baka for fans nga to na event, no?
Ang supportive din ng nila, tiknan mo.
Yung
CEO
nila, manager.
nila, oh.
Manager ba nila?
CEO nila yan.
Mm.
Tatang Robin.
First concert nila yan. Oh. Okay.
Galing.
Congrats.
Kung wala si Sir Robin, hindi kami mag-build.
Swerte naman ng mga 18
Wala kayo
sa first concert nila.
Parang, it's because of Sir Robin.
Guys, may nanonood ba
And just
dito
like
na
that,
pumunta sa concert?
SB19 got us into their
Curious
zone.
lang.
So back to the album. As unique as each of the songs was, all 7 of them managed to reach the #1 spot of Billboard's
Galing.
Bongga.
global chart. It's still insane thinking about it today. And they weren't done. They also appeared in Billboard's
page.
top Social 50,
no?
peaking at number 3. Or
So,
so
siya
they
dito
thought.
sa Billboard na
Aside
ano?
from
US
that,
ata
eto
yun.
nagbabasa rin ako ng mga comments naman sa ating comment section. Kasi di ba yung last na pinost niyo is number 3 kayo sa Billboard Social 50. Pero
Grabe,
ngayon,
galing.
number 2 na kayo, guys! Oh, at Billboard Social 50, may mga nagko-comment dito.
gulat sila
And
lahat.
number 6 na kayo. Number 7, di ba, nung last yung pinost. Number 6 na. Emerging artist, congratulations!
Congrats! Kahit nasa past na.
Oh, di ba?
They couldn't believe it. Stel ended up forgetting that he was in a live interview because he had to check it himself.
Si Nerd.
Yep, it's real. September 1st, 2020, a well-known artist canceled an Instagram live interview with MTV scheduled for the next day. So MTV host Kevin Kinney invited SB19 on a short notice to fill in. An opportunity knocked, they answered.
Oh my God.
Who wants to go
first? For me, I like to collaborate with Mr. Bruno Mars.
2 weeks later,
What if
Kevin
no?
made a bold prediction.
We ask a lot of people for interviews. A lot of people that you want us to interview, we take it very seriously and we reach out. Some people, you'd be amazed, don't have the time of day, can't find the time, can't do it. Oh, that's
US
tough.
Billboard na.
Okay, no harm, no foul. Then there's the people that are like, name the time, name the place with it. SB19
Hindi agad sila, no?
did that at 9 p.m. They'd never done an Instagram Live before. They didn't know if they could be together. They made it a point to not only be together at 9 p.m. because they knew that was the only time that it worked for this US-based host. That type
Gusto
of work
talaga
ethic
nila.
is going to take them very far in the
Real.
music industry. I'm also very good at predicting music, okay? Right? I'm like the MTV push of hosts. The same way that MTV knows how to pick winners, I know how to pick winners. I said on this very app, SB19 are going to be big stars. I
You
said it on my
weren't
IG Live. I've said it to you in private, Caitlin. I've said it to Banjo. You know, he didn't say anything back. SB19 are going to be big stars.
Totoo, no?
They have
Ang laki na talaga nila
charismatic.
ngayon.
They're hardworking. Today's date is September 18th, 2020. When I'm saying this, okay? I want somebody to post this on September 18th, 2021, and you can see how right I am because of
You're
how
so
much
right.
larger and more well-known SB19 will be a year from this date right here.
And when 2021
Yun. So, may nagkaroon ako realization na parang parang ang galing lang kasi ang unang naniwala sa kanila, si Tatang Robin, South Korean.
Mm-mm.
And super supportive, andun siya sa concert, andun siya sa live stream, Korean. Tapos, eto, yung nagsasalita ngayon sa harap natin, he's an American. Tapos, nung sumikat sila dito, nag-trending sila, ano narinig nila sa atin? Bash. Diba? So, wala, ang galing lang na it took international recognition for us to appreciate our own.
Para ma-accept sila ng mainstream, no?
Oo.
Dito sa Philippines.
Dito sa Pilipinas. And they really did something different.
Mm-mm.
Ang galing. Kasi, wala. Kung... Ang galing lang. Parang nakikita ko na ngayon yung... si Nike yung Filipino. Pero, ganun yung mentality eh. Kasi, di ba, parang isipin mo kung ibang nationality, ibang nationality pa yung naniniwala sa talent na meron yung SB19, pero hindi tayo naniniwala. Nakikita natin yung looks nila, ginagaya nilang ganito, puro kapitasyon nakikita natin sa kanila. Ayun lang, sobrang
Parang default mode na ng ng mga Filipino sa social media na kapag meron silang nakikita na successful or ng parang mga upcoming artist ganyan, una yung naiisip agad i-bash instead na i-support.
Oo.
Tapos kapag na-recognize na ng ibang tao, no, kahit nga alam mo mako-compare ko rin din pala siya sa sa mga reactors. 'Di ba parang need natin lagi ng validation sa sa mga international na reactors. When in fact ang dami naman ng Filipino na na parang nagsusupport na rin sa SB19. Parang hindi na natin kailangan ng din.
Totoo nga.
Ng validation from international people. Parang we have to validate people within our own country. Sabi.
Okay. Ayun lang, naisip ko guys kasi nakaka-shock na first interview niya lang with SB19 and that's how he perceived the group. So maybe we need to change our mentality, guys.
Mentality, no?
So,
with P-pop group.
Let's support Piang. Let's support all the artists. Wag tayo mag-bash.
Okay, I love Queen Fiang.
Okay. Queen Piang, if nanonood ka, name the time and place. We'll be there. Kung gusto mo maging successful, 9 p.m. at September 21. So ayun lang. Siguro part din ako noon, pero ayun. Wala lang. Ayun lang naisip ko, guys. Comment kayo.
Stop crab mentality.
Oo nga, no. Okay.
Okay, back
to business.
This video.
SB19
Ang pogi nung
year from this date right here.
Ang galing.
And when 2021 started, he reminded people about what's
Sabi
to
nung
come.
may
right here.
And when
speed break din
2021 started, he reminded people about what's to come.
4 years into my career, I've seen some people
40
go,
years?
I've seen some journeys and
4
you
lang,
can spot
Tay.
things, right? You can
Okay
notice
naman ang
trends, you
40.
can notice similarities. SB19 right now and the lock that 18 has on the voting week in and week out, and seeing them rise up the Social 50 chart over at Billboard, it's very akin, it's very similar to what was going on with BTS 2017-2018.
Totoo.
Sabi mo nga, di ba? Di ba ikaw din nagsabi nung sa BTS?
Oo, pero yun yung start nila. Pero ngayon kung iisipin mo, ganun din yung ganun din nag-break yung BTS sa US. Na-recognize sila ng Billboard, and that's because of all the fans na nag-tweet, of all the fans na nanonood, nag-i-stream sa YouTube, laging nire-recommend yung YouTube. So it's really the fans. It's
Yung
really
mga
the
fans
Filipino
talaga.
fans. It's
Kaya
really
siguro
the 18.
super mahal na mahal nila yung 18, no?
Oo.
Kasi 18 talaga rin yung nagbigay ng opportunity sa SB19 na ma-recognize international.
And imagine na parang hindi makapaniwala si Stel na bubuksan niya pa yung laptop niya kasi grabe yung pagmamahal.
Galing.
Ang galing. Okay. Let's
Sa
continue.
P-pop price mentality.
Okay, yun yung tawag.
Yung tawag natin, P-pop price mentality.
Now, I hope SB19 can reach those heights. I'm rooting for them. Those guys are awesome guys and hard-working guys. I've interviewed them after like incredibly 10-hour plus work days of rehearsal and choreography practice, and they still put a smile on their face, and they're incredibly hardworking. I think that's really
Galing.
Totoo sa incredibly hardworking.
Take it to the top. So my prediction is they're going to break out in a huge way this year. So take that for what it's worth.
You weren't wrong, girl. Sobrang nag-break out talaga sila.
Then what happened?
Ano song to?
Kevin's prediction came true.
Ito ba yung nag-viral nilang MV, yung nasa desert?
19. Congratulations.
This song was on the next level. It showcased Pablo's songwriting skills,
Galing. Siya talaga nagsusulat ng songs nila from Go Up.
Ken's dance moves,
Ayun
and
nga,
mix
yung
sound.
nasa desert, napanood ko rin yan. Kasi nagva-viral siya sa social media.
Stills'
Galing na
heavenly
itim
voice and
magpa-viral.
choreography,
Sabi ni speaker pa.
the most iconic rap verse in all of P-pop by Josh,
Pogi.
and Justin's brilliant mind, which created a spectacle no one has
Ay,
ever
ang
seen in the country.
galing.
It became the fastest P-pop music video to reach 1 million views in just
Galing,
16 hours.
Huh? Ang bilis.
SB19 sent shockwaves to
Kaya napanood ko
people
yan,
of
na-shock
what
din
they're
talaga ako.
capable
Ang
of.
galing
Meron
talaga.
akong natanaw na ko ang ilang music video nga what na-encourage ko.
Bongga,
The world got inspired, so it responded with a giant wave of appreciation.
Ayan na, nare-recognize na sila.
SB19. Yung last video nila, yung What? Ang ganda ng video, di ba?
Ang gagaling, grabe. Grabe. I think,
Ay, wait lang,
doon
pause
mo
ko
rin
lang.
naman makikita.
Natawa ako sa comment, akala ko nagtatanong sila. Yun nga pala yung title.
What?
Kana hindi
Sorry.
mo pwedeng
What pala yung
hindi
title?
mo
What
pwedeng
yung title ng
kailangan ng
song?
isang tao na nag-prepare hanggang sa makakita siya ng opportunity para gamitin yung preparation na yun. Walang pinagkaiba
Nare-recognize
yan
na
kay
sila
Manny
na sariling
Pacquiao
atin.
na nag-train sobrang galing, pagpasok niya ng ring, knockout yung kalaban. Walang difference yan. Lalo ko na-appreciate ang isang artist na alam kong pwedeng magyabang pero hindi nagyayabang.
This was also the
Hindi nga-
time when I
alam mo, never
found
nga
out
sila nagyabang.
their music made a difference in my life. It gave people happiness.
Ayun, dami na
Their
nilang
music
fans,
inspired us to
nakakatawa.
become a better version of ourselves despite our imperfections. SB19 taught us not to only raise our own flag, but to wave it proudly.
Yes! Wow! Nakaka-inspire nga siya. Sobrang
Oh,
inspire.
I almost forgot.
Meron pa.
I'm sorry, Pinuno, but you gotta hang in there till the next episode, okay?
Buisit.
Ang galing mo rin, Casual Chop. Kudos din talaga sa'yo.
Kudos din kasi it's made with love. Ang galing. Ayan, tipan na natin. Thank you for Casual Choppies, Ras, May,
Ay, may shoutout siya.
Ayun yung mga nagbabayad sa kanya. Ang galing, deserve ni Casual Chop. Ang galing.
Because of...
How about everybody from this? Guys, sa copyright. Ang kita nakaganyan pa rin yung style ng text.
Guys, kami din. Donate din kayo sa Donate din kayo. Wala rin kami kikitain dito, guys. Passion lang. Passion! Yay!
That was Casual Chuck, SB19 Story, episode 1 to 3. Ang
Yeah.
galing, grabe.
Ang galing. sobrang wala, speechless ang mga bakla. One thing to say, I'm so happy na ang dami sinabi. Basta I'm so proud of SB19.
Paragraph.
One paragraph to say, I'm so happy that SB19 chose to pursue their dream. Hindi sila nagpakadala sa mga bashers, sa mga haters online. Talagang pinursu nila yung passion nila, which is to make music. And look where they are now. Sobrang successful na nila. And I'm so happy for them.
And they're, nasa Taiwan sila ngayon.
Nasa Taiwan sila ngayon. Grabe.
Galing. They're on a world tour right now. But first, it wouldn't be possible without the fans.
Actually.
Ang
Ang dami nga nanonood doon. Nakakaloka. Naiya na.
Hi guys!
Hi guys! Guys, wag nyo kalimutan pala mag-subscribe. Mag-subscribe kayo sa amin. Wag lang kayo puro nood.
Guys!
Inutusan.